Magandang hapon po ng Friday, December 1, 2023. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5pm digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5pm result ngayong hapon ng Friday, December 1, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5pm. 3D Lotto 5pm result ngayong hapon ng December 1, 2023 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5pm. 'See you again later for 9pm result of Ultra Lotto 658, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Friday, December 1, 2023. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 is 180 million pesos and Mega Lotto 645 jackpot price estimates is 8.9 million pesos for December 1, 2023, Friday. Thank you for watching this 5pm video for Friday, December 1, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.